Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me, Hema Subramanian. Most people think that biryanis are good only when they're made with non-veg. But to prove this notion wrong, I'm going to show you all a wonderful dum biryani made with cauliflower. Yes, you heard it right, and do not come to any conclusion right away. I'm going to make it in the most easiest manner possible. So watch the video till the very end and try it for yourself to experience this magic. Let's get started and check it out. For the dum biryani, first we're going to cook the long grain basmati rice. To a pot of boiling water, add half teaspoon of salt. Next I'm adding 1 cup of basmati rice. Now this is a 250 ml cup measurement. I've soaked the basmati rice for about 30 minutes and cooked till it's 90% done. Just before turning off the stove, squeeze the juice of half lemon. This way the rice will be nice and fluffy. Strain the rice and keep it aside. I have all the ingredients for the biryani here. Next I'm going to make the marinade for the biryani. To a bowl, add 1 cup of fresh curd, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 4 teaspoons red chilli powder, 2 teaspoons cumin powder, 2 teaspoons coriander powder, 2 teaspoons garam masala powder. Next add 1 tablespoon of Kasuri Methi leaves. Now mix everything well. You can see the marinade is coming together so beautifully. Next I'm going to add all the vegetables into the marinade, starting with 1 medium-sized onion that's been thinly sliced, 3 green chilies chopped, 2 medium-sized tomatoes chopped, 1 large bowl of cauliflowers, 1 cup of fresh green peas. Now mix all the vegetables along with the marinade. Next, I'm adding 2 handfuls of the fried onions. You can see how beautifully they've been fried, nice and crispy. Next, add a few mint leaves and a few coriander leaves. Now mix everything well so that it's completely coated with the marinade. Let this sit for about 10 minutes. So I'm just going to add a few saffron strands to some warm milk. We'll be using that in the biryani. Let's start making the biryani. To a pot, add 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee. Now add the marinated vegetables. Don't add any excess water. So there's enough moisture that comes from the tomatoes and the curd. We're just going to cook this for about 15 minutes till the cauliflower is completely cooked. You can see the vegetable is cooked beautifully. So at this point I'm going to check for seasoning. I'm just going to add a little bit of salt. You can adjust the seasoning according to your taste. Now that the vegetable is cooked, remove a little bit of the vegetable mixture and keep it aside. So we're actually going to layer the biryani. So the first layer is the layer of vegetables. Next, add the cooked rice. Just spread it out evenly. Just add a teaspoon of ghee. Pour a little bit of the saffron milk. Add a handful of the fried onions. Add a few mint leaves and a few coriander leaves. Now repeat the same layering. Add the remaining vegetable mixture on top. Add the remaining rice, spread it out evenly. Add a teaspoon of ghee. Pour the remaining saffron milk. Add a handful of the fried onions, a few mint leaves. Next add a few coriander leaves. Close the pot and leave it on dum for about 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes you can see the biryanis come together so beautifully. The aroma is just simply amazing. Just gently mix it so all the rice is mixed along with the masala. And you can serve this delicious cauliflower dum biryani with some nice onion raita and some brinjal curry by the side. That's how I'm serving it. You can enjoy it however you like. Now you can see this is a very simple biryani to make. You can surprise your friends with this delicious biryani, which is just so quick and easy to make. How simple was that dum biryani? And if you can just make it with one vegetable, it would be cauliflower. So do try the recipe, enjoy, share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.